Yo, what up gang? It's Chin the Pro and I'm back again with another quality tutorial. Only here at Let's Do Music Right. But before you go on bro, like this video and subscribe because I bet you're gonna like this video. Today I'm feeling very generous. I'm going to make a giveaway to my loyal family. And it's good to be back, man. Let's get into it. Now I'm going to give away MIDI files and samples for the song So-So by Omah Lay. Let's take a listen to what we have. Now play. Let's also listen to the second. These are the chords. Let's take a listen to the bass. And then you can see that I also have some effects here. Let's listen to them. Now let's just combine everything together so that we can just hear the full. This beat was very easy. Everything was just too basic. And because I'm feeling generous, I'm just gonna give you the MIDI file so that you can play around with this and see what you can create out of this beat. Yeah, I hope you find this video very interesting, and I believe you have subscribed, you also like the video, and then you're gonna communicate with me in the comments to tell me if I should make more videos like this where I give you the free MIDI packs and the samples, and then so that you can just see what big producers are doing to their beats. So see you in the coming video, and make sure that you stay loyal because I'm always loyal to you. Peace.